Hey devs, indie hackers, and tech creators. Today on BlackSattai AI, we're reviewing a tool that turns your browser into a full-blown coding environment. It's called Replit, powered by their AI assistant, Ghostwriter. Let's see if this is the fastest way to build code, or just another shiny terminal. What is Replit AI? Replit is an online IDE, a browser-based coding platform that lets you write, test, deploy, and now with Ghostwriter, even auto-generate code using AI. It supports 50+ programming languages, lets you code collaboratively in real time, and even host web apps without installing a thing. Ghostwriter, their AI assistant, helps with the code completion, natural language to code, bug detection, code explanation, pseudo generation of functions, and boilerplate. How to use Replit? I go to replit.com and create a free account. Create a new Replit project, choose your language, start typing. Ghostwriter suggests code instantly. Ask questions like, make a weather app in Python, fix this error, explain this function, hit run, and you're live in seconds. Who should use Replit? Beginners learning to code, a hackathon, developers prototyping fast, solo founders building up, students who don't want to set up environments, rental needing instant testing, or sandbox, pros, browser-based, no install needed. Ghostwriter is fast, helpful, and improving. Instant live preview plus backend support, natural language to working code, great for collabs and pair coding. Cons: free tier is limited, especially for Ghostwriter. Slower than local IDEs for big projects. No plugin ecosystem like Versus Code. AI can still miss context on complex logic, data, and privacy. Replit does store your code and chat history in the cloud, so don't store production secrets unless you're on the paid hacker plan or Teams Pro. Still for casual projects, testing, and demos. Perfect. BlackSattai Verdict. Replit is a developer's shortcut, no setup, no excuses. Ghostwriter isn't perfect, but it's fast, smooth, and surprisingly smart for solo creators. Whether you're shipping your first app or your 50th, Replit AI is a real-time playground for your code and ideas. Another tool, another truth. This is BlackSattai AI.